What's cranking, you Jeets? John B here with yet another video. We are back on the fishing mission scene. I am still here in Illinois. I got super lucky this time visiting up north because the weather has been just so perfect and the fishing has been so good. Anyway, today right now is Halloween day. Most kids are out doing some trick-or-treating, partying, whatever. I, on the other hand, prefer to get after it and do some fishing. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do right now. So before we get active and start cranking on these fish, I want to show you guys what's in this little package here. I have a feeling you'll find it really cool. It has been a hot second since we've done an unboxing, hasn't it? Oh my god. Yeah. There we go. Ho, 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 ho. Look at that. It's even got the Halloween themed wrapping. Look at this thing. It's so freaking creepy. So Andrew's really wild. He basically creates anything you want him to. This is not an example of custom work, but he's got a few of these for sale. I don't know if they're still for sale. If they are, I'll leave his website linked in the description below. But this is something he does every year. He always creates like a Halloween lure. Last year was the undead perch, which you guys also saw. And this year is a mummified popper. The thing is freaking sick. Oh, it's even got a prop on the back too. That's really awesome. Pretty wild though. Holy smokes, this thing is creepy looking. So right here is the lake. It's kind of a dynamic lake. There's a lot going on here. There are some pike in here. There's some walleye, but I think primarily what we're gonna go after today are bass. Largies and largies and largies. So I don't know exactly what the game plan is. I'm just gonna get out here, do some fishing. I don't think I've ever really fished here too much in the open water season, but I've heard some good things about this place. Dude, I would lose my mind if a big pike crunched this today. There are some pretty big pike in here. I've seen them in pictures. I've heard about them in legends and stories. No, a few of my buddies have actually caught pike out here in the past. All right, cool. We're freaking sauced, boys and girls, sorry. Mummified prop popper, ready to rock. I got a shaky head, I got a jig, and I'm also gonna bring a jerkbait with me. I'm going a little overkill today. Usually I only bring like 1 or 2 rods on a foot mission. But today I'm very dedicated and committed to catching a biggie smalls. You guys remember this lure? Yeah, this lure is sick. Holy nut. Gonna pack some googie worms, some googie baits. Got my baits, got my camera gear, got my zombie poppers. I'm set and ready to go. Let's freaking hit them. Wow, 4 rods today. I must be on some next level-ish. Sometimes, and again, this is just based off of what I've seen and heard, pike will hide in the shallow areas over here. Oh, something just spooked right there, a little bluegill or something. Eventually I'm gonna work my way out to some deeper water. Just because the water's cold and just because it's almost November here in Northern Illinois does not mean that these fish have to be deep. It's a very good possibility that some of these fish could be pushed up shallow. Oh my God, that was crazy. Big bass just boiled right there. Holy smokes, did you guys see that boil? That was craziness. Oh my God, my heart's pounding. That was a big bass. How did he miss it? It's like a 4-pounder. That's a fish. Oh, I had one. No, I freaking had one. Damn, it's my second lost fish of the day. This crankbait is getting the nibs. There's one. I'm on. There we go. Finally hooked up. Big long cast. Might be a good one. No, it's decent. Might be a good fish. And out comes a 1-incher. Gotta start somewhere though. Yeah. I don't remember I think the last time I filmed a video on Halloween was probably like 2000, oh my God, maybe like 12 or 13. That's crazy. It's been a while since I actually filmed on Halloween. It's kind of cool to get out here and film. It's a ghost town right now. It's a Wednesday, so it's a weekday. No one's out. And the people that have the day off are just chilling because it's Halloween. And little buddy is chilling with the lipless in his mouth. I'm gonna put you back though. Okay, buddy? I'm all about the treats, not about the trick. Oh, look, he's just sitting there. Oh, there he goes. Hey, first fish. We didn't get skunked. That was on the old burnt crawl lipless crankbait. The coolest thing about a lipless crankbait is you can just fish so fast. Like you can fish an area, if you don't get bit, then you just move. The only downside is if the fish aren't on that really heavy feeding pattern when they're not like looking up and they're searching for bait, then it kind of, well, then it just doesn't work. So in other words, you may be covering a lot of water, but you could be passing over some fish that are probably more likely to eat the jig
I always like to start off with a slow moving bait, and then I work my way to a fast moving bait. Not saying that's right, that's just how I operate. Quick tip for you, like look at this. I just made 3 casts in probably, what was that, like 30 seconds? 3 casts. Covered 3 alleys, 3 lanes of water in about 30 seconds. And there's the 4th cast.
Okay, a few things I've learned so far from fishing in this lake. One of which, there are fish here, confirmed. We've got that out of the way. The fish that are here are a little tough. Now, it's been a while since I've fished in fall, and like, honestly, to be completely honest with you guys, it's been a while since I've used moving baits. I'm a big jig guy. I love throwing drop shot, shaky head's my thing. So whenever I'm in a situation where those fish aren't eating that, or if I can't throw that in a certain like lake or pond, whether it be weeds or, you know, like too much like schmuck, I gotta switch to the moving bait, and that's something I'm not super good at. But the thing is, right now is I'm missing a lot of fish. One fish I actually saw, I got a good glimpse at, probably around a 4-pounder, ate right at my feet, completely whiffed and missed him. It's difficult. It's definitely difficult right now. All I need is like one good bite. If I can catch like 1 3 to 4 pound fish on Halloween day, that would be a deal breaker. That would be so unreal.
Oh, something big just waked right there. Right where I threw, something big waked. They're up on the bank right now. They're super shallow. There he is. Oh my God, big fish, big fish. Rod almost came out of my hand, big fish. I think it's a big pike, big pike. Oh, okay, all right, well, I think I found a pike. Come here. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good pike. Dude, the rod almost came out of my hand. Holy smokes, let's get this guy in. Look at this Slimer. Chill out. There we go. Look at that pike. So there are pike in here, confirmed. Pretty good ones too. This is not bad for a pond pike. Very long fish, really skinny. I spooked him off the bank. I threw right next to him. I think I threw a little bit too close to him, and he spooked off. I'm like, all right, I know how pike are. They're pretty aggressive fish. I'm gonna throw right back in there. Dude, as soon as I threw back in there, the bite, let me tell you, that bite almost ripped my arm off. For you southern dudes out there who don't get to see pike that much, check out that mouth. There's a reason why they call these guys gators. That is a beautiful fish.
That is a mean son of a gun. Look at those teeth, dude. That is a sweet fish. Really long pike. There he goes, back in the drink. That was sweet, man.
Wow, pike smell really delicious. Jesus, that's the stinkiest fish on earth. Nothing like a good spinnerbait to douse a pike. Like, I've caught pike on spinnerbait in England, Canada, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois. Anywhere I go and I throw a spinnerbait, I somehow manage to catch a pike. You guys like cookie dough? I love cookie dough, oh my God. If cookie dough was on a hook, I would definitely just sacrifice the outcome. I would just be like, all right, you know what? Honestly, I've outweighed all my options here, and that cookie dough is worth it. And I just eat it. Oh my God. Big wake. Did you guys see that? I wasn't paying attention. That was a big wake. These fish are crazy, dude. I had so many fish chase the bait up today. Oh man, what the hell is that? Is that a pike? That's another pike. That's another pike. Dude, that thing hammered it. Oh my goodness. That scared the living crap out of me. It's another pike. Oh my God, this guy fought like 30 times harder than that first one. Oh my goodness. Whew, another one. That's 2 pike in a row. He's a little bit healthier, shorter but fatter, wide on the back. Again, lucky with the hook set. I mean, an inch closer to that line and I would not have a bait. You can't deny that these guys aren't freaking fun. On a slow day like today where the bass aren't cooperating, these guys are definitely an awesome consolation. Like, look at that fish. Oh, you know what? He's just gonna help himself. Look at that. He's gone. Well, that was fun. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Did you see that? Did you guys see that? Oh my God. Right in that right there. That was something big. That was something very big. Oh my gosh. I'm on. I got one. Another pike. Are you kidding me? Another freaking pike. This has got to be a joke. This has got to be a joke. Look at that boat flipping pike. Are you kidding me? This is psycho. Came out here to catch some Halloween bass and I'm freaking dousing these pikeys. A little bit smaller. We're working our way down the food chain. He hammered it though. My goodness, did he hammer it. See you there, Squirtle. Oh! Did you guys see that? Did you guys freaking see that? Fish just busted on that, on the top. Oh my God, that was craziness. Holy sh! There he is, I got him. That was the fish that swiped me. Unbelievable. Oh God. I have not caught this many pike in a very, very, very long time. Oh my God, this is about the size that I'm really nervous of. Okay. Don't do anything rash. Oh, don't you do this. You must be related to that one pike, huh? Another Slimer. They just keep getting smaller, don't they? Okay, there he goes. Back in the water. Alrighty. Rod's in, locked and loaded. Oh man, bag, check. Lately, I've been trying to post a ton on the channel. I think you guys really do deserve it. And it's also fun for me. Like, I really do get a kick out of here, sharing my day with you guys and just trying to figure out a pattern while filming the whole expedition. Alrighty, I will catch you guys on the next vlog slash upload slash fishing mission. I appreciate the view. As always, peeps, keep fishing, never stop.